Hi guys, so let us try this amazing boiled egg recipe. So yeah, most times you get bored and you just want to choose something, and for my egg lovers you can try this. So to get this you need egg. You need to boil your egg, and then you need what's it called, breadcrumbs. So first you get your egg, you remove yolk from the egg. So now you mix the yolk together, and after mixing the yolk, you get your breadcrumbs and you get your boiled egg. So you boil the egg, remove the back of the egg from the egg, then you get toothpick, add toothpick to the egg, add toothpick to the bum bum of the egg. So if you have the long toothpick, I don't know if it's toothpick it is called, you can add more than one eggs to the stick. But if it's just a small tiny toothpick, you can just add just one or two toothpick to one egg, so that you'll be able to roll and add breadcrumbs to it and all of that. So now you add your boiled egg to your yolk, the mixed yolk. You don't need salt, you don't need maggi, you don't need anything at all. So you just add yolk to the boiled egg. After adding yolk to the boiled egg, make sure you add the yolk all over, make sure it's all over, so that when you put it in breadcrumbs, the breadcrumbs can actually stick to the boiled egg. So after adding yolk to the boiled egg, you add it to your breadcrumbs, and then you apply breadcrumbs all over the boiled egg. So you can apply breadcrumbs as much as you want to apply to the boiled egg. So please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, don't forget to let us know what you think about this video in the comment section. Have you tried egg like this before? Would you love to try egg like this? Which of our boiled egg or egg recipes do you like? Let us know in the comment section. Which one would you love or want to see? Let us know in the comment section. Feel free to make your video request in the comment section. So after adding your yolk to your boiled egg and adding your breadcrumbs to it as well, after covering the whole boiled egg with breadcrumbs, you can just get a pan, you put it on fire, and you add oil to the pan. Add enough oil to the pan because we would be frying this boiled egg that is mixed with breadcrumbs. So now you just allow the oil to get hot. Once it is hot, you just put the boiled egg there on fire, and allow it fry till it's golden brown, or yeah, till it's brown enough, or till you feel it is fried and it can be eaten like that. So I didn't add any spice to it. There was no salt, no maggi, no any of the above. It was just normal boiled egg, yolk, and breadcrumbs. So yeah, it was that easy and that simple. So next time when you feel like eating boiled egg but you don't feel like eating boiled egg like that, you feel like adding something special to the boiled egg, you can just try it this way. So it is very easy, it is very simple, and it is not time wasting actually. So make sure to fry on low heat so it doesn't burn. Yeah, because I feel yeah this can also burn, so make sure to fry on low heat. So let us know what you really think about this video, because this is my first time trying or frying boiled egg. Like, this is my first time frying boiled egg. So yeah, for my egg lovers, let me know what you think about this video, and let me know if you would want to eat your boiled egg like this, or if you feel you just boil it and eat it. Let us know in the comment section. So here, as you can see, it is fried enough like this. As you can see, it is golden brown, so you can just take it off like this and then you can eat it. So I applied tomato ketchup to this and it was sweet. So you can use mayonnaise, you can use tomato ketchup, you can use pepper sauce, or whatever sauce you want to use in eating this. So you can eat it, but trust me, this is actually sweet. This is actually delicious. This is actually something you would love to try, like something you would really love to try. So yes, this is actually something you would really love to try. I feel like calling this egg lollipop. Because yeah, it looks like one big egg lollipop. So yeah, the inside your boiled egg is still intact. It's just giving it a different taste because of the breadcrumbs and because it was fried. So please, like I said, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not. Have an amazing day. Thank you for stopping by. Check out our video. Bye.